Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of back-breaking snow shoveling and looking for a faster, easier, and smarter way to clear your driveway or sidewalk, you're in the right place. Today, I'm covering the top 5 best electric snow shovels and cordless snow blowers of 2026. These models are powerful, eco-friendly, and perfect for homeowners who want hassle-free snow removal without gas, cords, or loud engines. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Ego Power Plus 21-inch Electric Snowblower, SNT2112. The Ego Power Plus SNT2112 is one of the most powerful cordless snowblowers on the market. It features a 21-inch clearing width, a steel auger, and runs on two 56V 5.0 AH batteries, delivering gas-like performance without the gas. This snowblower is built for serious winter conditions. The steel auger easily chews through packed and wet snow, with the dual battery system provides impressive runtime and power. It's ideal for medium to large driveways and heavy snowfall areas. Pros: extremely powerful cordless performance. Steel auger handles heavy and wet snow. Long battery life with dual 56V batteries. Quiet and eco-friendly. Cons: premium price. Heavier than compact models. If you want top-tier performance and don't mind paying extra, the Ego Power Plus is hands down one of the best electric snowblowers of 2026. Number 2. Earthwise SN74018 40V Cordless Snow Thrower. The Earthwise SN74018 features an 18-inch clearing path, a brushless motor, and comes with a 40V 4AH battery and charger. It can move up to 500 pounds of snow per minute. This model is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and perfect for small to medium driveways. The brushless motor improves efficiency and extends battery life, while the built-in LED spotlight helps during early morning or evening snow removal. Pros: lightweight and easy to use. Brushless motor for better efficiency. LED headlight included. Great value for money. Cons: not ideal for very deep snow. Smaller clearing width. The Earthwise SN74018 is a great budget-friendly cordless snow thrower, perfect for homeowners dealing with light to moderate snowfall. Number 3. SnowJoe 48V Cordless Snowblower, 24V X2 SB18. The SnowJoe 48V snowblower uses two 24V batteries to deliver 1,200 watts of brushless power. It features a 28-inch clearing path, LED headlight, and includes useful accessories like a scraper and cover. SnowJoe is known for reliable electric tools, and this model doesn't disappoint. It's powerful enough for sidewalks, decks, and small driveways, and the dual battery system ensures consistent performance. Pros: dual 48V power system, brushless motor, LED headlight for visibility, includes accessories. Cons: not designed for very large driveways. Batteries need frequent recharging in heavy snow. This is an excellent all-around cordless snowblower for everyday winter maintenance. Number 4. Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Snowblower. The Wild Badger Power snowblower features a 20-inch clearing width, a 40V battery system, brushless motor, and LED lighting. It's designed to handle both wet and heavy snow. This model offers a good balance between power and portability. It's easy to control and performs well on driveways and walkways. The brushless motor ensures durability and smooth operation. Pros: handles wet and heavy snow well. Wide 20-inch clearing path. Brushless motor. Stylish and sturdy design. Cons: battery sold separately on some listings. Slightly bulkier than compact models. A solid mid-range option for homeowners looking for power without going fully premium. Number 5. Greenworks 80V 20-inch Brushless Cordless Snowblower. The Greenworks 80V snowblower offers a 20-inch clearing width and is compatible with 75+ Greenworks tools. It includes an 80V 2.0 AH battery and charger. This snowblower delivers excellent torque and performance while staying relatively lightweight. The 80V platform makes it a great investment if you already own Greenworks tools. Pros: powerful 80V system, lightweight for its class, compatible with many Greenworks tools, easy to store. Cons: smaller battery capacity, may struggle with very deep snow. Perfect for users already in the Greenworks ecosystem who want reliable, cordless snow clearing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. I'll see you in the next video.